have log 12.25 to base 10. Now 12.25, I can write that 12.25 multiplied by 4 gives me 49. So I can write this as log 49 divided by 4 to base 10. Why am I doing that? I want to have a combination of 2 and 7. 49 divided by 4 is 49 divided by 4 just give us 12.25. So we can write this as log 49 to base 10 minus log 4 to base 10, which is log 7 squared. That is 7 times 7 is 49 minus log 2 squared. 2 times 2 is 4 to base 10. And this we can write as 2 log 7 to base 10 minus 2 log 2 to base 10, which is 2 multiplied by log 7 to base 10 according to the question is 0.8451. Then minus 2 times 2 to base 10, that is 0.3010, which is 2 multiplied by this 2 times 0.8451 is 1.6902. 1.6902 minus 0.6020 minus 0.6020, 1.0882, 1.0882. Okay, that is the answer to that. Question H, and this H I just saw. I this time around, I have log 0.72 to base 10. And this I can write as log 72 over 12 over 100 to base 10, which is log 72 to base 10 minus log 100 to base 10. 72, we can write that as 36 times 2 to base 10, then minus log 100 to base 10, and this will be log 36 to base 10 plus log 2 to base 10 minus log 100 to base 10. 36, I can express that as 9 times 4, 9 times 4 to base 10 plus log 2 to base 10 minus log 100 to base 10, which is log 9 to base 10 plus log 4 to base 10 plus log 2 to base 10 minus log 100 to base 10. Here we have log 9 to base 10. I write that as 3 squared to base 10 plus log 2 squared to base 10, that is 4, log 2 to base 10 minus log 100 to base 10. And this gives us 2 log 3 to base 10 plus 2 log 2 to base 10 plus another log 2 to base 10 minus log 100 to base 10. And this is 2 log 3 to base 10. This and this can be added since both of them are log 2 to base 10 plus 3 log, that is 2 plus 1, 2 to base 10 minus log 100 to base 10. And what is log 3 to base 10? 4771. 2 times 0.4771 plus 3 times 0.3010 minus log 100 to base 10 is 2. 2 multiplied by this will give us 2 times 0.4771 is 0.9542. 9542 plus 0.9030 minus 2 plus 0.9030 and minus 2 is minus 0.1428.